We are touring Shaden's second van.
Yeah, my second.
Your second van, your personal second van.
I built a few though now.
You've built, I think, 4?
Yeah.
And you're about to do a 5th.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Stoked. This is the shower basically. We got a custom stainless steel shower pan down here. There's teak inserts in here to kind of cover up the water so you're not standing in water or dirty water. It feels really nice.
Do you know the dimensions offhand?
It's 4 foot by 2 foot.
The viewers can see it. Can they shut the door?
Yeah, totally. I'll close this door. So basically, this is my process. I have a little curtain up here that stows. And I pull this curtain across. That's just to kind of waterproof the door. Or you can shower with the entire thing open here and have a nice view outside. But I kind of just tuck that in down there. And I have a couple little magnets that like stick up in here to kind of hold this tight. There's a light up here that's gonna be harsh on the camera.
It's like,
so I'll hit it.
Whoa. Dude, keep that light on, man. You get some
nice,
good bright light.
This is a Nebula shower head. This thing is epic. It's a spa shower and it uses like no water.
You've protected the door, but
Yeah.
what about the rest of the van?
Totally, so I have a Nautilus on this side. So this comes across right here, just like so. A set toilet on this build, but obviously it's super easy to swap that out for a composting toilet or something. Staple tiles that I love, these little obsidian slate tiles are pretty clean. So all black fixtures, obviously got sink over here, black stainless steel. I love this. Under here we got a trash can, little 4-gallon hot water heater. The hot water heater also runs on a timer. There's also an Aquasana 3-stage water filter under here. So that is drinking water over here that actually tastes really dang good. This is just a solid slab of acacia. Comes prefab from Home Depot, so you don't even have to do anything. We got an Impava dual burner induction stove. It was the only one that I could find that was 120 and vertical that had 2 burners on it, because having 2 burners was very important for me on this build.
More importantly, you got a freaking toaster up in here.
Little toaster oven up here. It's small, but I can do like little lasagnas and cookies. And
Little
stuff
lasagnas and
I have, like,
cookies.
little eggplants.
What fridge did you go with?
I have a Dometic CRX 110, so that opens up right there. And it holds way more food than I know what to do with, honestly. I like having all my switches in one place. Starting down here, we have light switch, so we have 4 different zones of lighting. This is the thermostat for my radiant heated floors. Yeah, because it comes from Europe, it's custom ordered, so it's not something that you can get in Fahrenheit, unfortunately.
Did say heated floors.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have an entire heating pad or whatever you have under here. It's a heated floor system. What's your battery power? What's your power system? Because I think that is you, right? Your pride and joy.
That is my favorite thing. I have 1,000 amp hours of lithium, but it's wired in a 500 amp hour 24 volt bank. So it's basically 10 lithium batteries wired in a certain way to get 24 volt. Some people have different goals in van life. For me, the goal is to create something that feels like a house. Yeah.
You have your kitchen here. You have a bathroom here. You've separated your spaces really well. You have a living quarters here and a bedroom which is kind of hidden.
I'm really glad that you recognize that, because a lot of the design on this build was quadrants. It's very evenly divided into 25%, 25%, 25%, 25%. Kitchen, changing and washing and toilet, right? So you have your whole basically closet and bathroom over here. And then you have your living room and lounge, and then bedroom up top. Over here, last 3 things, we have a Webasto Airtop STC 2000. Up here we have a Seamarine Pico. It basically monitors your batteries, all of the different electricity that's coming in and out of the van. Don't have a gray tank on this van.
Okay,
but
so
I have a 52-gallon freshwater tank. It's very important to me to have a full height closet in the van. I like to be able to hang up my clothes, not just have like wrinkles in my clothes at all times.
What, you like clothes?
I had a closet in my van.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No one hardly had that.
Yeah, everyone likes to roll their clothes.
Yeah, no thanks.
I probably have like 60 shirts in here or something like that. I've got plenty of pairs of pants, shorts. All these drawers have nice little glass sides on them. This is like socks, accessories, whatever, and then laundry down here at the bottom.
So interesting little setup. I'm gonna sit all the way in the back with you if that's cool.
Sounds good.
And then
Come on in here.
can you want to do a catwalk
Do a
for us?
catwalk.
No, wait. Before you do the catwalk, how tall are you?
I am 5'2", 5'3", if I have a big hair day.
Do you fit under here without slouching or tilting
Do
ahead?
I? Do
Tippy toes.
Look at that.
You actually have room to spare. Do you know the dimensions from floor to bottom of bed?
74 minus 8, so what, 66?
Sure.
Something like that. Yeah, it's probably about 66 inches. You kind of see my forehead hits like right here.
Yeah.
But honestly, this is a living room, this is a lounge. It's kind of like a den, so you're kind of coming down into it. You're not really like ever standing here. You can stand here to cook, you can stand here to shower, change, but when you come in here, you really are just like coming in to sit down. These are 84 inches long, so this bottom is designed to convert into a Cow King, a full Cow King guest bed, basically. I have a Happy Jack up top. That's a queen size bed, so that's 80 by 60, and then down here we have like 72 by 84. As a guest room, this is actually, in my opinion, more functional to have 3 beds here than 2.
How many people did you have sleeping here at one time?
We had 5 in here one time.
And what's underneath you?
This is storage. So this entire
bench is storage. Wow.
Except the very back little chunk is the Zero Breeze Mark II air conditioner, which ducts up to here to this little duct. It's 24 volt air conditioner. We like zone cooling. It's not going to cool the entire van. I have my surfboard on the bottom of the bed here. First thing you guys probably see back here are my one wheels. Is my pride in it.
You ride them on beaches. You try to sell me on them every time I see you.
Yeah. These ones, I built these in. I mean, I literally like modified the entire bench to fit the one wheels, which like, I'll just like pull it out so you guys can kind of see, but
there's all your systems.
yeah, so you can kind of see in there. That's basically batteries, extension cord, piano, one wheel charger. There's an air compressor in there. There's all kinds of stuff in there.
So where's the best area for me to stand while you put this bad Larry down?
I'm gonna take this insect screen off really quick so we can get a nice clean view of it.
Perfect.
So
your switch to this is where?
this is right here. I just press this button, my bed comes down. It's pretty sweet.
So you have to hold the button?
It's unfortunate. I wish that you could. I've tried to figure that out already.
You tried to work in a relay?
Yeah. So usually if I have guests in here, I'll stop like right there and then my guests can come in here and they have like their little nook where they can sleep right over here. And then I still have plenty of room up top.
It's like a sailboat. It's not that big a deal.
Totally. Usually I bring this down all the way until the surfboard's like right above the table.
Okay. I mean, even if it hits the table, it's not going to damage it.
Not really. I mean, like, unless it's just like this. Yeah, so I usually stop it right there.
That was a pretty good stop. That was like right on there, guys.
I do this every night. I love this bed. I'm obsessed with having a queen size bed in a van that has no creases in it, but it's designed in thirds on the platform, so it's kind of like a hospital bed. And you can actually tilt it up like this on this third or on that third, because I wanted to leave flexibility for if I wanted to put like a projector screen right here or over there to create like a really cool big like love seat / like recliner. Up here, key feature, this skylight comes out.
Is this just a regular car moonroof skylight?
This is a CR Lawrence. They're $200 instead of the Dometic.
So CR Lawrence, if people that don't know van life, is actually a company that makes windows for vans.
Curved to the roof and everything, so it's super easy to install. I just use urethane to install it. Yeah,
well, Jaden, thank you again so much for inviting me to tour your van yet again, and we will see you in the very near future, pal.
Later, guys.
Much love, buddy.
Stay tuned.